Hello, everyone. This is Don Cooper. I'm the CEO of Innovator Industrial Services, and I'm your host today on this API 653 new repair methods webinar.
HJ3 started a process with API 653. We proposed the use of carbon fiber repair materials for above ground storage tanks. This process involved a letter ballot. The letter ballot was circulated amongst the SCAST, or Subcommittee on Above Ground Storage Tank, members, and everybody provided insight and input into the process for approving carbon fiber. So owner-operators, inspectors, contractors, consultants, everybody weighed in. We went through several rounds of technical review, and in May of 2020, the API published Addendum 2, and that included the modifications for Section 3.22, Section 9.4, which is entirely about carbon fiber, and Annex J, which provides the unique qualification requirements for using carbon fiber for tank repair.